Good day, everyone. Welcome to ADEMOLATV YouTube channel, your number one online favorite TV. So today is Monday. As we've always known, God celebrates our May celebrity. Our May celebrity today is the person of us, Emmanuel. Also, especially straight to the point. Also, Emmanuel has become a well-known name in the Nigerian movie industry, Nollywood, with his unique talent and compelling performances. He was born in Lagos in the 1980s. Austine's journey from humble beginnings to stardom is nothing short of inspiring. Over the years, he has not only acted in popular films but also taken on the roles of producer and director, demonstrating his versatility and creativity. Though his rise to fame has been steady, Austine has faced several challenges within the industry. Recently, he has been vocal about the obstacles and conspiracies in Nollywood, adding a new layer to his public persona. His acting career continues to thrive, and his projects in 2024 are highly anticipated despite facing criticism and tough moments in his career. Austin Emmanuel remains a figure of influence in Nigerian cinema. Austin Emmanuel is a Nigerian actor, producer, and director known for his roles in Nollywood films. Austin Emmanuel's career includes acting, producing, and directing, showcasing his versatility. In recent interview, he has spoken out about challenges and conspiracy in the film industry. He's married to Jumoke Ikudaise, an actress, and they have two children together. But Austine Emmanuel was born and raised in Lagos, Nigeria, where he grew up in a family that appreciated the arts from a young age. He displayed a passion for acting and the performing arts, which eventually led him to pursue a career in Nollywood like many other Nigerian stars. Austin's breakthrough came through hard work, dedication, and seizing the right opportunities. His first notable role came in the film Samurai, which helped introduce him into a broader audience. His performance in this movie was praised for its emotional depth, authenticity, marking the start of a successful career over the years. Austin has acted in numerous Nollywood films, earning respect and recognition for his dynamic performances across various genres. While Austin Emmanuel's professional life is often in the public eyes. His personal life remained relatively private. He is married to Jumoke Kudaisi, also a renowned actress in Nollywood. Their relationship is often highlighted as a strong partnership in both their personal and professional life together. They have two children. Austin has spoken in the interview about the importance of family in his life, though specific details about Austin's mother remain scarce. It is evident that his family played a crucial role in nurturing his passion for acting. His family support has helped him overcome challenges in the entertainment industries, which can sometimes be tough and competitive. Also, Emmanuel's acting career has seen significant growth over the years, but it has not been without its challenges. He has been open about the struggles he faced within Nollywood industries, including what he perceives as industry conspiracies that hindered his career in 2004. He was vocal about this challenge during interviews with other Nollywood stars discussing the difficult environment that actors face. Despite these obstacles, Austin Austin continues to build his career and expand his influence within the industry. In addition to acting, Austin has ventured into film production and directing. His ability to tell engaging stories behind the camera has earned him a recognition as a multifaceted creative talent. His work as a producer and director continues to grow and is widely regarded as one of the key players shaping the future of Nollywood. Austin Emmanuel's financial success also comes from his venture outside of acting, such as his role as a brand ambassador and his investment in various business ventures. His growing influence in the entertainment industry and his ability to expand his portfolio will likely lead to further increases in 2024. Austin Emmanuel has been at the forefront of Nollywood news. His public remarks about the challenges he faced in the film industry. So, to cut it short, moreover, Austin's ongoing projects in 2024 have created excitement among fans. His role in upcoming films and his work as a director are highly anticipated, with many fans eager to see what new project he will bring to the big screen. With his continued success, Austin Mann is poised to remain a key figure in Nollywood for years to come. Austin is active on social media, particularly Instagram, where he shares glimpses of his personal life behind the scenes moments from his project and updates on his career. You can also follow him on Instagram at I am Austin Emmanuel. So, with all the love we have for Austin Emmanuel, join us as we celebrate uh, Mark Crush Monday at Austin Emmanuel. Let's cheers. If you're just coming across this video for the first time, kindly like, comment, share to your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Facebook at ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Twitter at ADEMOLATV Plus. At ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Threads at ADEMOLATV Plus. Follow us on Twitter at ADEMOLATV Plus. So till next week Monday when we come your way again, I say bye.